In this video, I'll be telling you guys on how to shop at Amazon Fresh Store. Shopping at Amazon Fresh Store is a breeze, and you have several options to suit your preferences. Here's a breakdown of the different ways you can shop. Just walk out shopping. This is the most seamless and futuristic way to shop at Amazon Fresh. Simply scan the QR code in your Amazon app or use Amazon One to enter the store. Shop like normal, taking items off the shelves and putting them back as needed. Sensors and cameras track what you take and you're automatically charged when you leave the store. No checkout lines, no waiting. Now, you also have traditional checkout options like prefer the old fashioned way, no problem. You can still shop at Amazon Fresh like any other grocery store. Browse the aisles, pick out your groceries, and head to the checkout lanes. You can use self checkout kiosks or staffed lanes, whichever you prefer. Then you have Amazon Dash Carts. This smart cart helps you skip the checkout line altogether. Place your bags in the cart, scan your fresh QR code in the Amazon app, and start shopping. As you add items to the cart, they're automatically scanned and added to your virtual cart. When you're finished, simply head to the Dash Cart lane and your payment will be processed automatically. Lastly, you also have online ordering with pickup. Don't even want to leave your house? You can order your groceries online and pick them up at your local Amazon Fresh store. Use the Amazon Fresh app or website to browse the selection and add items to your cart, choosing a convenient pickup time slot, and head to the designated pickup area at the store when you arrive. An Amazon Fresh associate will bring your groceries to you. Alright, guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you guys next time. See,